So
Nobody chooses to have an abortion. They have to.
99.9% of all abortions are abortion of election. The baby is perfectly healthy. The mom is perfectly healthy.
You really
They're
believe
of
that?
just age.
And you say I'm brainwashed.
That's the Guttmacher Institute, which is funded by Planned Parenthood, that published the study.
So how many people who had abortions do you know personally?
A couple. And they all regret having abortions, actually.
I'm a medic.
Wait, hold on. You're a medic and you really don't know what you're talking about. That's horrifying. I mean, like, so let me ask you this question. So, since you're a medic, when does brainwaves begin for a baby?
Within the first 4 weeks.
Yeah, okay. So, brainwave, how about heartbeat?
6 weeks.
Right. So, how is that not a life if it has a heartbeat and brainwave?
When you have this child inside you, the baby is supposed to
Oh,
be...
it's called a baby now. Oh, not a fetus. So wait, if it's a baby, that means it's
So if you care about children...
Oh, now it's a baby. We got him, everybody. You see, this is the key of the abortion argument.